By the way, is any one of you wearing green? Oh,
Yeah, it's a little bit green. I have my little safety bit. This is a scary story.
I went there and the was neon.
This is
Wishing list.
today is our sixth wish, which is we will go explore the
Indian Ocean.
yeah. Yeah, were you happy, Rian?
Because we are in Pasar Ikan Segar.
Yes, girl.
Yeah, Ikan Segar. Okay?
Sagar.
It means fresh fish market.
Yeah, exactly.
Yeah.
Here in Parangritis.
Are you guys excited?
Yeah, I'm excited. I really wanted to eat seafood, so I want to try this time.
Yeah, but now it's not seafood.
Ah,
Our food. So
Patience.
sorry.
Patience.
So sorry, but I like bad jokes.
I hope you got the joke. Explain.
yeah. It's hard to explain, actually.
It used to be seafood, but when you eat it, it would be your food. Like, makes sense sometimes.
I go to Kedaway.
Okay,
So let's explore it and let's see what kind of seafood we can find here because it's come from the ocean, the Indian Ocean.
yes.
So, ayo,
excited.
which means
Ayo.
yeah,
Ayo.
yalla.
Yola.
Yeah.
Mau yang segar-segar. Then we ordered the seafood.
Yeah.
Yes.
What did we order?
We ordered fish, the most fresh.
Yeah. And chumi or squids.
Yeah.
And
Shrimps.
yay.
Shrimps is number one.
Yeah.
My favorite. And Ibu they helped us in picking the fish.
Yay.
Terima kasih banyak. Water soon.
Okay.
Yeah, so we will pay now and we take the fish because Ibu will help us in bakar.
Yeah.
Hey, bakar. Now guys, we will go to the place where we will cook the seafoods that we bought. Freshly bought.
Coconut.
For me, I remember a song that is En el mar, la vida es más sabrosa. But I don't remember the complete lyrics, but it says that in the sea, enjoying the sea, life is much better and much delicious.
Okay.
So today we are in Parangritis. This is the name of the beach that we are here.
Yes, that's right. And you know what? It's more or less 17 miles far from Jogja city. And it's a very iconic beach because many people, foreigners and of course Indonesians, like visiting this place.
Yeah, because it's not far. It's less than 1 hour from the city.
Yeah, earlier it's less than 1 hour. But by the way, is any one of you wearing green today?
I guess yes.
Okay.
A little
Okay,
bit
yellow,
green.
green, moss, green, blue, green.
Yeah, it's a little bit green. I hope I will be safe today.
Uh-huh.
So why we're asking such a question? Why you should be careful if you are coming to Parangritis? You shouldn't wear green. This is a scary story.
Oh my god.
Oh my God. Let's know. Hi.
Yeah, next. So if you are really curious about the story of the green thing, here in Parangritis, people believe there is a very famous legend, which is there is a queen. Its name is Kanjeng Ratu Kidul, which is the queen of the South Ocean. And the interesting story that they say she is not really welcoming the newcomers to the sea, and if you are wearing green, you will make her, you will attract her to come and take you.
You want to be taken?
Exactly. But also the interesting story about the queen, that it's believed that the Sultan of Yogyakarta, the Sultan, it's like the king of Yogyakarta, he has like a spiritual relationship with the queen. They can communicate so far, and as long as the relationship is good, he can protect the city from the tsunami. Because if the queen is angry, tsunami will happen.
Oh, what are the origin behind the places? It's nice.
Yeah. But actually, like the real story is that in this kind of sea, it's not possible to swim. No.
Yeah.
So maybe kind of, in order to make people to be part of the sea and everything.
Be careful.
Exactly, because it's super dangerous to swim and go inside.
Yeah. And
It
if you're
could be.
wearing green, it's very hard for the people to see you if
Yeah,
you're
as well,
under the
right.
water.
Yeah, that's
Oh,
the
this
idea.
is a new logic. It's for me. It's first time to hear this new
Yeah.
logic.
Oh, yeah. About the green color, I don't know.
I heard it.
I think we are making things up.
But really, about the fact that it's super dangerous to swim in this part of the ocean, yes, it is, because the floor in the sea is not consistent, it's not the same.
Yeah,
So it's
like-
easily that people will have any accident or something.
This place has a legend.
That you shall know.
She's sacrificing herself now for the video. We're coming here because there is a very nice ibu-ibu.
Yeah.
Like old ladies, they give us a ride to here.
Going here.
Yeah, they were so friendly and they very willing to help us.
Yeah, they even invited us to go to their like place to eat. So next time when we go here, we will go there.
The restaurant. So they give us rides and we are waiting for the bus now. Let's hope.
Come home.
If you like our videos, don't forget to subscribe, like, and share with your friends. Yeah.
Yes, Mexico, Philippines, Egypt, Indonesia, the whole world.